words that I hear more often than not are it's mystical and magical. There's something mystical and magical about Mineral Wells and about that Baker Hotel that lingers in the air. Us being from here, we tend to forget that. But for an outsider that comes in and to hear those things, that's what gives us that excitement and that passion to keep pushing forward and doing everything that we can to make it happen.
When it was abandoned in '72, it was just abandoned. They didn't spend money to haul off their stuff. And so from '72 until 2019, things just sat in there and dilapidated and rotted.
Little things we find, and so the guys put them in here to dry, and I've got boxes full. Some are trash, some are treasure, but those were the bath accessories that came out of the presidential suite and the Baker suite. These are some tiles we're harvesting from up there, and all kinds of just cool old documents.
So there's been several attempts at revitalization in the past, but nobody has actually gotten to the point that they started the process. It's critical for us to reach our full potential. I mean, you could be a destination again, but you can't be thriving without the Baker.
This is the Baker suite. This was Mr. Baker's fireplace in his suite, his living room. We had the billiard room across the hall. And it's an awesome room. It's very eclectic. It's got a lot of detail. Got the cool carved columns. And all this stuff stays. The ceiling's painted. We'll paint that back like it was before, make it all back like Mr. Baker used to kick it in here.
The Baker is going to bring it. It's going to bring them by the droves. The Baker already has this huge following because everybody wants to see this building restored. And what's going to make them come back? They're going to figure out why the Baker was built to start with. That it was built to support the resort, and the resort's going to have to be the entire county. This is where we come together as a county and we start showing off the county and the reason that we're all here.